Here's the app called Earnify. It's quite high in the charts. Earn loyalty reward points on every purchase at the pump and in store with Earnify. Newly registered users are eligible for a 250-point welcome offer that can be redeemed for exciting rewards. Please note that points might take up to 24 hours to appear. Earnify is available at participating BP, Mocha, and PM gas station and convenience stores. With Earnify app, you will save on app-only deals and get rewarded with incredible bonus deals on your favorite stuff. Earnify members can enjoy the following perks: welcome offer 200 points plus 2x points for first days, instant 5 cents saving on every gallon, and 1 point per dollar spent on fuel, and so on. So quite great app, definitely recommended if you're in North America. So that's just, just use it. There are app-only deals which are again available only inside of the app, why you just getting free money basically, and then you just sign in with your US number and get started.